Thinking about becoming a licensed general contractor in California? Here's a simple, step-by-step walkthrough to help you get there without all the confusing jargon. Step 1. Pick the right license type. First things first, you need to figure out what kind of license fits the work you want to do. Most general contractors go for what's called a Class B license. This lets you build or remodel homes and commercial buildings, so it's pretty flexible. If you plan to work on big public projects like highways, bridges, or dams, you'll need an A license, which is for engineering contractors. Now, if you only work in one specific trade, like electrical, plumbing, or roofing, then you'll probably want a C license, which covers specialty work. There are dozens of these, like C10 for electrical, C20 for HVAC, C36 for plumbing, C39 for roofing, and others depending on your trade. Also, if your business is an LLC or you're teaming up with another contractor for a one-time project, there are extra requirements. You might need a joint venture license or other documentation. It's worth checking with the Contractor's State License Board, or CSLB, just to be sure. Step 2. Make sure you qualify. To apply for a license, you need to meet some basic requirements. You must be at least 18 years old. You'll need a Social Security number or ITIN. And most importantly, you need at least 4 years of experience in your trade. That means hands-on work at a journeyman level, and at least one of those years should include supervising or managing jobs. It's okay if you've picked up this experience working for someone else. You just need to be able to prove it. Step 3. Prepare for the exam. Before you get licensed, you'll need to pass 2 exams. One is the Law and Business exam, which covers contracts, labor laws, safety rules, and business practices. The other is your trade exam, which is based on the type of work you're licensed to do. Don't take these lightly. A lot of folks study for a few weeks or even take prep courses to get ready. There are online practice tests and study guides that can help you focus on what matters. Step 4. Submit your application. Once you're ready, you'll fill out and send your application to the CSLB. Make sure to include all the right info, like your work history, license type, and business details. You'll also need to pay an application fee. If anything's missing or unclear, they may send it back, so double-check everything before submitting. Step 5. Take and pass the exams. When your application is accepted, you'll get your test date. You'll need to pass both the Law and Business exam and your specific trade exam. The CSLB gives you the results pretty quickly. If you pass, you'll move on to the next step. Step 6. Get fingerprinted and do a background check. After passing the exams, you'll go through fingerprinting. This is for a criminal background check, which is required for all licensed applicants. It's a routine part of the process and helps protect customers and the industry. Step 7. Final paperwork and fees. Once your background check clears, you'll get a letter with a list of final steps. You'll need to pay your licensing fee, submit a contractor bond, this protects your clients, show proof of workers' compensation insurance if you're hiring employees. Once that's all in, you're good to go. Step 8. Get your license. At this point, the CSLB will send you your official contractor license and number. Now you can legally bid on jobs, pull permits, and advertise your services as a licensed contractor in California.